morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Welcome to our creative assembly on the theme Career Planning and Goal Setting.
Every successful person starts with a dream and achieve it through proper planning and determination. Today's assembly will help us to understand the importance of goal setting and planning a career wisely.
Let us begin our assembly by seeking blessings of Almighty through the prayer song.
Good morning to respected principal, teachers, and my fellow Josephites. We are often asked a simple question: what do you want to become? But in reality, it is one of the most difficult questions to answer. This is where career guidance becomes important. Career isn't about choosing something based on marks, pressure, or what others expect from us. It is about understanding values and making decisions that truly suits us. Having goals is equally important. Goals give us direction and help us to stay focused. But they don't always need to be big or perfectly planned. Even a small, clear step can lead to a meaningful progress. What truly matters is being honest with ourselves and having courage to make our own choices. Learning, adapting, and moving forward can help us. So, in the end, let's choose a career we can be proud of. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you for such a valuable insight.
To make our assembly more engaging, let us enjoy a wonderful skit performed by our friends.
One day, a group of students were discussing their future careers.
What do you want to become? Everyone keeps asking me what do you want to become. I really don't know. What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a doctor to help people.
What is your ambition?
I want to become a doctor and help people.
What is your ambition?
My dream is becoming engineer and create a new invention.
What do you want to become in your future?
I want to become engineer and I want to create new invention.
What is your future plan?
I want to become a famous sports person and represent my country.
What is your ambition?
I want to become teacher and shape young minds.
What is your future plan?
I want to become a famous sports person and represent my country.
Wow, you have a clear goals. How did you decide?
Good morning, children. What you all are discussing?
We are discussing about future career.
That's wonderful. Remember, choosing a career is important, but setting goals is even more important. How can I set goals when I don't know what I want to become?
Ma'am, what do you mean by career?
Career is the work or profession that a person does for a long period of their life. For example, teacher, doctor, and engineer.
Yes, ma'am. We had a discussion about our career and goals. What we can do after completing our time.
Start by discovering your interests, talents, and strengths. Then create a plan.
Every success begins with small steps. First, dream what you want to become. Then, goal, set a clear target. The third step, plan what you need to learn to achieve your success. The fourth step, work hard. So, you should practice every day to achieve your success. Then, if you follow these steps, then finally you will achieve your success.
To become a doctor, I must study science seriously. To become an engineer, I need strong math and problem-solving skills. To become a teacher, I must gain knowledge and communication skills.
To become a sports person, I need regular practice and discipline.
Now I understand. Career planning is not about choosing a job overnight. It is about knowing myself and setting goals step by step.
Exactly. Success comes to those who plan, work hard, and never give up.
Dream big, set goals, work hard and achieve success.
Thank you, friends. It was amazing performance.
As we conclude, let us remember that success is not achieved overnight. It is the result of clear goals, hard work, and consistent effort.
Thank you everyone for your attention and participation. Thank you and have a great day.